see how today is going.
That's how today's going.
That's how today is going.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the channel. This video is a bit different to what we usually do. As we have got the Bonneville and it is on the road, we need to put some miles on it ahead of the DGR, although this video I think will come out after the DGR. Yeah. But it is Saturday the 11th. Sun is beautifully shining, it is glorious. On
any given Saturday.
So we thought we're going to do a day in the life of Freddie Dobbs. And we've watched some of his videos.
Yep.
To have a look at how he...
Learn how to do it.
Yeah, learn how to go out for lunch. So join us as we get ready.
Go out on the Bonneville.
And go out on the Bonneville. Round you go. Keys in the back of the door. Sit, nice and gentle. There she is. You're stuck on the jet wash.
I'm not just stuck on the jet wash. People think we're making this up.
I am now.
Oh no, that's from my gloves.
Hang on a minute. Wait for the cyclist. Hi. Go.
Go. I got notes.
Got notes.
You're very excited to be here, aren't you?
I'm very excited.
So this is a... I have to remember this now, which way around it is.
Is it not on your notes?
This is a 14th century priory. So yeah, it's on my notes. So this priory was built in 1330. It's an Augustinian priory of Warwickshire. Throughout 1300 to 1400, it appropriated pretty much all the surrounding churches.
Freddie sat casually on his bike.
Oh, did he?
As he spoke. Casually, that's not casually. Oh, hang on, there's a car coming.
Do I have to look wistfully into the distance?
Yep, there's a car coming, hang on.
Okay. Oh, you'll like this bit, you'll like this bit. In 1399, there was an act of considerable violence. Yeah, somebody got killed. There were robberies. They did heavy debt collection from the local people.
Right. You need to either get more interesting or speed it up.
Why? This is interesting.
Yeah, but we were going for breakfast and now I think we're going to be lucky if we make brunch.
This is history.
We'll be at lunch.
Well, in 1986, the Priory Church collapsed. There you go.
Is that it? Is that all you got?
That's the end.
The end.
Yeah.
Hang on then. Wait for that van to go. Go back, go back, go back. Right, quick. Walk wistfully out of your shop.
Here we go. Come on, Bonneville. That was gravel. That wouldn't have been good, would it? Zoom in on that goat doing I'm a king of a castle. Dirty rascals, goats. And then beyond that is the cows and the lady cows. And here comes a burger, but it's not ours. The lady went the other way. Look at that disappointment just happened there because the lady went the other way. And I am just going to let you all know that she informed Joe that they were bringing out no more buckets. So that's the table we were sat at. And we had to just move just along here so that we could be on a bucketed table. Do you have a spritz then?
I do have a spritz, and Joe has a pint, shandy pint pop thing.
Non-alcoholic beverage.
Non-alcoholic beverage. And
it's a good glass though.
It is a good glass. I'm just waiting for dinner. Do we know some forks? That's what Freddie did in his.
Now. You didn't have any.
Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Cheers. We hope you've had a good day with us.
Thank you for joining us on this build.
Yes.
I think the bike's
done. Be back when it's done.
Yeah.
It comes out.
Yeah. Hopefully he's enjoying it as a pro.
Yeah. We have enjoyed riding it. It rides lovely. Effortless.
Yeah. Really pleased with it. A lot of work.
It has, but it's been worth it. We've
Yeah.
had a lot of fun with it and met a lot of lovely people along the way, and that's been really nice. You do having a really bad time with that ice cream.
Yeah, dripping.
Dripping.
So on that note,
Yeah, so we're going to head off. This is always ice
it's good
cream.
and bad. It's hard. Right.
Thank you for a day in the life of Freddie Dobbs.
Yes. We'll see you in the next one.